Right now, the Bitcoin price is nearing the weekly time frame target, which we have mentioned a couple of months ago. And I'll tell you guys exactly what this means for the Bitcoin price action in the longer weekly time frame, as well as my new targets revealed and a couple of warnings. But before I do so, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. Let's begin. So right now we're in the weekly time frame. Let's have a quick recap. A couple of months ago, we have spotted this massive falling wedge in the weekly time frame, and I said exactly a break above this falling wedge will signify that we're going to be having a pump towards our target of $30,000 right here, because this is the next major resistance we were looking at. And so far right now in the weekly time frame, we have rallied exactly close to the target right here at around $28.7 thousand. Not exactly at 30,000, but you get the point. We have already met basically the target, which is this resistance zone, and we have opened up in this red candle in the weekly time frame. So clearly we are currently facing some resistance as a result of this resistance zone right here. Now, what are my warnings? So let's move to the 4-hourly time frame, because first of all, in the 4-hourly time frame, the Bitcoin price has formed a bearish divergence, as you can see. A higher low in the price, while in the RSI we have formed a lower low. So a clear bearish divergence indicating the Bitcoin price is losing strength and momentum. As you can see in the RSI, we're losing strength while the price has still continued rallying to the upside in the 4-hourly time frame. That's basically indicating that the Bitcoin price in the 4-hourly or in the short term is losing momentum, and this is basically the signal that in the immediate short term, we may be seeing the Bitcoin price come back down to support right here. And what is the target? Of course, since right now we have met a major resistance right here, like I've said in the weekly, we have met this resistance, which is basically the target we have mentioned a couple of months ago. So if we get rejected right here, the target is basically, I'm expecting the Bitcoin price to dump towards this support zone right here. And that's around $25.2 thousand until $24.4 thousand. That is the target, and I believe that at some point we're going to be coming back down to test this level as support, have a test of it, and hold it as support, hopefully, because if we lose this as support, if we break below $24.4 thousand, then that's going to be dangerous for the Bitcoin price in the short term. So that's why it's important for the Bitcoin price to come down and hold this important level. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, yeah, like I've said, the Bitcoin price is facing some resistance right here at our exact target, which I've mentioned a couple of months ago. I said again, a break above this falling wedge will signify a pump towards our target of $30,000, and right now we have met the target. We have actually pumped close to the target, and right now we're facing some resistance. Now, just a warning, there's a chance the Bitcoin price could dump again down here at $24.4 thousand, because again, this is previous resistance, now flip to support. So that's why I'm expecting in the weekly and the short term we're going to be coming down, because we're going to get rejected. There's a high chance we could get rejected right here, so we're going to come down to $24.4 thousand or $24.5 thousand before continuing to the upside in the longer weekly time frame, in the shorter 4-hourly time frame. But of course, there's a chance we could break through right here and not even test these levels right here. But of course, I believe there's a higher probability that we're going to be coming down to test this as support before continuing up in the weekly time frame. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up and Bybit using my affiliate link. You guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos.